about to head to Halong Bay. We just got on the bus that's gonna take us there to the boat.
It's about a 3-hour bus ride. I think we're gonna be picking up other people because we're the only ones on the bus right now.
Yeah. So we're about halfway to Halong Bay. It's been about 2 hours, so it's a 4-hour trip. We're just taking a 20-minute break. We all got these little name tags. I am so exhausted. I don't really know why, but I was just sleeping the whole time on the bus, but I'm really excited to get there. Megan is literally in heaven. We found this place with just millions of snacks.
They're all American snacks too.
Onto the cruise ship.
They're giving us 5 minutes to put our bags into place and then they're gonna serve us lunch.
It's a lot smaller than I was expecting, but this room is pretty nice. Just brought our bags in. It's pretty much just a bed. There's not really much else. And then our own bathroom. Very green. So far we were served our welcome drinks and then they told us to put our bags in our room to kind of check in, and then we're gonna have lunch in a couple minutes. And then we're gonna go on to the activities. It was about a 4.5 hour bus ride. We both fell asleep for most of it and I'm just so tired right now. I don't know why, but I'm sure we'll wake up now that we're here. And so we're gonna get ready for lunch and then the activities. Oh, it's still on the...
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest. It's boring, 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight, it's toxic. You were the best.
We just got back from visiting the cave. It was very odd because it was completely overrun by tourists. We could barely move in the cave because there were so many people, and every time you walked up a little staircase inside the cave, there was just like half an hour of waiting, at least like 15 minutes of waiting because everyone was just kind of like bottlenecking into the stairwell. So it was a little odd, but we're gonna go kayaking in about half an hour, just back at the room now to change. We just took the small boat back to the big boat. And so right now we're just gonna get ready and then we'll go kayaking. Kayaking, we have 45 minutes. That's the one thing I don't love about guided tours is they put time limits on everything. But so right now we've got 45 minutes to kayak around. We're in a 2-person kayak.
It's so pretty here. How many islands did they say there were?
He said well over 1,000. He said a specific number, but I can't remember now. But it was like 1,100 something.
And there's just so many. We've probably seen at least 300 today, if not more.
Just finished kayaking and took a shower. Now we're waiting around. We're about to do a cooking class before dinner.
Hey there.
Megan's never done a cooking class before, so that should be exciting.
Yeah, really exciting. While we were kayaking, I ripped off the rest of my scab.
I'm gonna cut that out. We didn't film as much as we should have tonight, but it was a lot of fun. We just met a lot of people and did some squid fishing, even though we were not successful and did not catch any squid.
0 squid.
Someone's gotta catch something.
I believe in you. But we got to meet so many people and everyone is so nice, and it's fun to hear everyone's traveling stories.
So we're gonna call it a night now. It's about 10:30. Everyone else has pretty much gone to bed and given up on the fishing, so we have to get up at 7 in the morning for breakfast, so.
Oh, all of the workers on this boat, it's so sad. They just sleep like on the couches in the main area. There are some people sleeping on the floor. There's like a little lifeboat off to the side and the workers are sleeping on that too. Sad.
But alright, that's it for us tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. This morning we got up at 7 a.m. and had our breakfast. It was like little eggs and crepes and some juice and a lot of toast. And then after breakfast, we took a small boat over to this island that was really close by, and we did a hike all the way to the top. But the hike was actually just man-made stairs pretty much all the way to the top. And so we just took a bunch of stairs up, saw a really beautiful view from the top of all the islands, tons of boats and tourists around. And then we went back down to a little beach where there was a lot of tourists swimming. And once we got into the water, it just started pouring, and this giant claps of thunder and lightning started going. And so everyone started running to the boats, and so we got soaked. But we're finally back in our room, and we're about to check out and then head back to the bus to head back to Hanoi. Good morning from our last day in Hanoi.